What if I told you there's a simple math trick that can predict exactly how long it takes your money to double, without needing a big salary, luck, or inheritance? Wealthy investors have used it for decades, and you can learn it today. It's called the Rule of 72, and it shows how small, steady investments can turn into serious wealth over time. But before this formula changes how you think about money, let's see why saving alone keeps most people stuck. Gabriel's story. Meet Gabriel. At 28, he did everything right: steady job, modest lifestyle, saving $300 a month. After years of discipline, he built up thousands. On paper, it looked great. But in real life, he still felt broke. Rent kept climbing, groceries got pricier, and his savings never seemed to catch up. He was doing everything right, yet going nowhere. That's because his money was sitting still while prices kept moving. Even if his savings earned 6%, it would take 12 years for $10,000 to become $20,000, and inflation would quietly eat away at that growth. That's when Gabriel realized saving alone wouldn't buy freedom. The Rule of 72. Then a friend showed him a shortcut that investors have trusted for decades. The Rule of 72. It's simple. Take 72 and divide it by your yearly return rate. The result is how many years it takes your money to double. Example, if your investments earn 12% yearly, 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6. Your money doubles every 6 years. Start with $10,000 in 6 years, it's $20,000 in 12 years, $40,000, and it keeps going. A tiny difference in return can change your future in massive ways. The power of compounding. Once Gabriel saw this, he shifted his mindset. He kept investing the same $300 monthly, but now it worked for him. Over time, that small habit could cross $500,000. At first, growth felt slow, but compounding isn't linear. Each doubling multiplies bigger amounts. Eventually, his money worked harder than he did, giving him freedom, not stress. Gabriel versus Marcos. Meanwhile, his friend Marcos thought investing was for the rich. He spent every raise on upgrades: new phone, new car, more debt. 15 years later, Gabriel had financial freedom. Marcos had bills and stress. The difference wasn't income, it was behavior. Gabriel used time as an ally. Marcos let it slip away. The Rule of 72 isn't just a formula, it's a mindset. It shows how time can turn small steps into huge results. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Even $50 a month matters, because consistency plus time equals freedom. It's not magic. It's math.